Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Hit or Miss Scoots here, and today I'm going to be bringing you guys an $800 PC build. So, let's get started with the CPU, of course, and we're on PCPartPicker.com. This link right here, you guys can copy it down, or it'll be in the description. And let's start off with the CPU. It is an AMD FX 6300 3.5 gigahertz 6-core processor. And then the motherboard that we're using, an Asus M5A99FX Pro R 2.0 ATX AM3 Plus motherboard. Then a Corsair Vengeance 16GB, two sticks of 8GB, so it'll equal out to 16GB of DDR3 1600 memory. Crucial V4 256GB, 2.5 solid state drive, Western Digital Caviar Blue 1TB hard drive with RPM of internal hard drive. This is an SSD, and that's where you're gonna put your operating system and everything on that. So then it'll basically boot up faster for the PC. Then the Western Digital 1TB hard drive is for basically putting anything else, like storing games, storing anything. But then the SSD is only for the operating system. Then for a video card or a graphics card, or we have an EVGA GeForce GTX 750 Ti 2GB superclocked series. The superclock isn't like a special program or anything, it's just a series. Then for a case, we have a Corsair 200R ATX mid tower case. It's a pretty decent size case. Then for a power supply, EVGA 500W 80 plus certified ATX power supply. Then for an operating system, Microsoft Windows 8.1 OEM 64-bit. And if you're wondering like how many gigahertz or how many watts does this whole PC build take, it takes 268 watts right here. You can see what everything takes up. But yeah, we have the power supply at 500 watts, just in case if you guys do want to add anything to it. Same with the motherboard. It can hold, if we just click on that, it could hold up to 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it could take DDR3, DDR1330, just basically all this memory type right here. So it could take that too. And the chipset is AMD FX 990, socket AM3 Plus, form factor ATX, and it can hold up to 4 sticks of RAM, but it can only hold up to 32 gigabytes. Let's go back, and the all-out price for all this is $770 and 36 cents. All you guys have to do is just click buy, and then it'll take you straight to the web page of where you can buy it. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.